Ivy here. Most people ask AI for one answer. You describe the problem, it gives you a single response, and you run with it. But one answer hides the trade-off you actually needed to see. So change the default. For any decision-shaped question, ask for two genuinely different options, then ask which one it would pick and why. That forces a real comparison instead of a lucky first guess. It surfaces the assumptions hiding in each path, and it still gives you a clear opinion to react to. The and why matters most. A recommendation without reasoning is just a coin flip with extra steps. One caution: the recommendation is a starting point, not the decision. AI does not know your budget or your risk. You make the actual call. Tomorrow, I will show you how to make AI pressure test a decision you have already made.